Lucy Greer in the Studio 10 kitchen on this Wednesday. Lucy, I mentioned during the tease, Mobile Bay's 40 under 40.
Yeah.
How'd that all come about?
That was really nice. I always admire everyone that makes the 40 under 40 list.
What an incredible list this year, yeah.
It really is. My sister made it a few years ago, Julia Greer, so I was really proud of her. So yeah, you get nominated and then, you know, they select, and they had a great party a few weeks ago, and I was you know, just honored to be a part of it.
Well, congratulations. That's really cool. I think the issue is out right now with Mobile Bay Monthly, correct?
Yes.
Mobile Bay Monthly, so you can go check that out, learn a little bit more about Lucy, read some of that, and check out all the other folks nominated as well. Meantime, you need to check out this food. What are we working on today?
We are working on our turkey and vegetable soup. I browned 1 pound of ground turkey, and I just took that out of the pot. And then I added a couple teaspoons of olive oil, and I put in our veggies. We have carrots, onions, celery, and red bell pepper. There's just 1 cup of each of those. And we also added all of our spices. So we had dried basil, dried thyme, and oregano. Then we had salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So I just let that go for about 10 minutes. And now we're just kind of ready to add our liquids and our turkey back.
And you were also telling me the original concept behind this was to make a warm soup for those cold days, and wouldn't you know it, it's 63 degrees in Mobile right now.
I know. Chastity tells all of us that it's going to get cold this weekend, so this would definitely be a good one to put on your weekend list, or, you know, to make early next week. So it's just super simple. I mean, it has not taken us any time at all, and it's definitely something affordable to make, which is always nice. So I just add our turkey back, and then I'm going to add 6 cups of chicken broth and also 1 can of diced tomatoes with chilies.
You know, 63 degrees, that can be turkey soup weather as well.
We had it last night, so.
Yeah, there you go. There's no restrictions on it. Now, maybe if it was like 110, maybe you wouldn't reach for a hot bowl of soup. But you can make this anytime. This is looking good. So tell us about Greer's in the new year. It is January 2018. I was looking forward to things to come, and you guys really made some huge advances last year in terms of keeping up with technology and ways for people to do their grocery shopping.
Yeah, we of course are continuing to talk about our online shopping. We have grocery curbside pickup and also delivery in some areas. So you can go to greers.com/shop, and you can see all of our locations that have the online shopping available. So it's everybody here in Mobile, and also we just expanded to South Mobile County. You know, Bay Minette, we have Baldwin County, Robertsdale, and Fairhope, and also our Pensacola areas. We have 2 stores in Pensacola. So our customers, we just got some results of our customer service feedback for online shopping, and the results are really overwhelming. Everyone is so pleased, and I'm definitely the best customer when it comes to online shopping.
Do it all the time?
I can't live without it now. Yeah, I do it all the time. And it's just great. So we're just, you know, always continuing to, you know, try our best to bring our customers, you know, what they want, and just to try to move forward, continuing to always, you know, remodel and improve stores. We're working up at our McIntosh store right now. So I was there earlier this week looking at that. So, you know, all new produce cases, dairy, frozen food, you know, making improvements in the delis. So we just continue to, you know, try to reinvest in the stores that we have, and always look for new opportunities to grow.
Big 2018 plan for Greer's. Of course, they hope you can be a big part of that moving forward. We're going to finish up this recipe in just a little bit and check back in with Lucy. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.